Well, you guys, in today's JFBoosted videos, I ran out of fuel. What's up, you guys? JFBoosted here, and today we're gonna be heading to a meet. I don't really do vlogs for meets anymore, but let's see how it turns out. So far it's just a little group up with my friends in and out, and right now Carlos is heading to my house and we're gonna clean his hard top. Anyways, we're gonna spray it down, clean it up, because I guess it's dirty. I don't know, I'm not sure how the condition is, but stay tuned, you guys, and you know, I'm gonna drive the Stang. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, if you guys haven't subscribed and are currently watching my video and freaking love it. Like, subscribe and give a like and hit that notification button. It'll really, you know, help me improve and make more video content for you guys, as I barely started to post every other day, because, you know, I used to post like every month or every 2 weeks, but I'm trying to post consecutively now. But yeah, you guys, I'm just waiting for my boy, and we'll try to head to the meet afterwards. I'm stuck right here, you guys, right down the street from my house. Guess who decided to help me out?
What happened?
Yup. I don't know, dude. I saw a quarter of a tank in my gas tank, and I was like, I should fill up right now. I was like, I feel like I have no fuel.
You wanna go fill up over there?
And then after that, I was driving it, and I was like, I'll fill up once I wash the car and all that, and then, you know, dip. And right here, and I felt it a little bit going boom. I was like, nah. And boom. I was like, oh shit. And I tried to crank it up, and I was like, yeah, I'm stuck. So I just pushed all the way over here, and yeah, I was right here in the corner at the light, and I pushed it here. So I don't know, what's the plan here? Pushing it, or?
Do you wanna go get a gas can and get gas and come back?
Sure. Oh, Ryan's calling. Bro, you guys, I'm over here trying to lock my whole car, but they can't even take it. There's no gas, so why am I even tripping? Only I should be tripping if they take my turbos. We're heading to my house, and then from there, fill up my car, take it to a gas station. It's all alone. Back to my house. Thanks for the ride, bro.
By the way, guys, his address is...
Whoa, hold up. Shut the fuck up. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Alright. So this is the first time ever fitting a 5-gallon in a Miata with my leg twisted like that.
Man, the struggle's real.
I'm flexible, so that's good.
I bet.
Oh, it hell fucked up my hand.
Is it the driving close?
Yeah, it punctured me right in the nerve. Anyways, we're heading back to my place, well, to my car. Turns out this gallon's full, so I'm set. All you see is just a bunch of bums trying to steal everything.
Oh,
hey, what are you doing?
Right here on the left, right?
Alright, so these are the part utilities we'll be using.
My messy trunk.
Funnel and that cone right there. And then I'm gonna carry this all the way to the back of my car. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yep, struggle's real.
Maybe we could use a hose with the funnel.
Damn it. Yeah, I guess that's the only option, huh?
Yep. And the hookah life.
For real. Alright, just shove it in there. Doesn't look like gas was even in there. Goes in. Alright, let's just stop recording. Oh, you're recording too? So we finally filled up.
I guess that roadkill luck followed us back to San Jose.
I know, man.
He ran out of gas. I had to come help him. There's some roadkill haggard ass shit right here.
Check out the channel. I was kidding. Well, you guys, let's see if it cranks up first, and hopefully it does. 2, 1. Yes, let's go. All right, you guys, time to fill up. Success, for real, man. What's up, you guys? So we finally came to the spot. What's up, Edgar? How's life?
Chilling.
Yeah, I finally came and it had no issues at all. I guess I just ran out of fuel at the stop. But yeah, now we're here. So you guys, I guess this was a short video, or I don't know how long it is, but thanks for watching the video. If you guys liked it, subscribe and give it a like, you know, support JFBoosted videos. That we could upload more and actually feel like I'm actually doing something good. So anyways, you guys, have a good day or a great night, good morning, or whatever day you guys have, or whatever time you're watching it. Have a great time. Laters, you guys. Oh, that's sweet. You did this yourself, or?
I just got done putting a new motor in. The old one popped. I had the supercharger on there for a while.
Oh.
And that motor wasn't happy.
Yeah.
So I just bought a new replacement motor. I put the motor in with another guy. I had to have a lift in a shop.
Yeah.
So I paid that guy $1,000 to use his shop, and two of us changed the motor.
That was great.
And then just came back from the dyno earlier tonight.
How much power, mate?
550 torque and 660 horsepower.
Whew.
You got cams?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, 560 torque and almost 60 horsepower. And that's the difference, because the new motor is slightly bigger. It's a 6 liter instead of a 5.7 liter.
Yeah.
But it's from Texas Speed, designed for boost. So it's got ported heads and cam and better pistons that are lower compression.
Oh, so you got the dish pistons.
Yeah.
With the negative combustion.
They're only 9-to-1. The stock pistons were 10.5.
Okay.
So like my boost level's lower. It's 100 more horsepower than it used to be, but the boost level used to be 10.5, and now it's only 8.7 pounds of boost.
Oh man.
So yeah, this is fresh. I don't know if the date's on it there somewhere. This is only like 2 or 3 hours old.
Yeah.
Is the date on it?
Everybody's dipping already.
Yeah, I'll see you guys over there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll drive slow anyways.
it's just got the date of the old motor.